Welcome to the last day here at SAP Sapphire. We had a fantastic showing here for the first time, showing our product, RPA Platform and UiPath. But the people who did the job here this week were all of our developers. You guys rocked it. You guys showed demos all day long. And what I'd like you to tell our customers what you guys learned here, right? I mean, you guys were here all week. You saw a lot of customers. So, give me an idea. What was your favorite thing about the show?
Oh, so one of the favorite things of the show was that there was so many people I wasn't expecting that. And out of this, there was so many people that was really interested in UiPath. Also those that they know us, but also those that they didn't know us so far.
Yeah.
So during the demos, they were really interacting with us. They were asking questions and even giving us like different use cases that maybe we didn't even thought about that.
It was a pretty interesting show, I think. I think a lot of customers came up and just wanted to know, what are you guys doing and how can you help us in our daily business, right? So, Jared, you were showing some really interesting stuff, so give me an idea of what you were showing customers.
Yeah, like Mira was saying, we had a really nice mix of customers between those that had no idea what RPA was and those that had been around and had a deeper understanding of what RPA, what UiPath could bring to us. So we were showing some complex demos like some chatbot integrations, and then there were customers we talked to who just left with a big old smile on their face, just really confirmed that we're in a really good place moving forward.
Fantastic. I thought the chatbot thing was amazing, and all live, again,
Absolutely.
Live demos here, which was fantastic. So, Brian, what were you showing this week to people? How are they amazed?
So we were showing the Business Process Repository, which is our S/4HANA migration tool, and people were just amazed at what we were trying to do and how we were accomplishing that.
Great. Vikram, what were you doing this week?
Yeah, so tons of things. The really cool thing for me was getting to meet some of the C-level executives. The CFO of Air Liquide actually stopped by, and he hadn't heard of UiPath before. So explaining to him about the entire UiPath ecosystem and platform was really cool. The second was engaging with the customers that do know about UiPath, right?
Yeah.
And I actually got to explain to them about some of those new 2019 features that we had released just last month around document understanding and computer vision.
Fantastic. So, Eric, you were showing some other S/4HANA stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. It was a pleasure speaking with all the customers, hearing about how they're going to be migrating over to S/4HANA, and it was great being here on site to talk to them about the product that we're building to assist with that S/4HANA migration. So it was an absolute joy.
And Nadia, we can't forget Nadia, the Build-A-Bot queen, I would say, this week.
That was my favorite part. I really actually enjoyed building bots. So grabbing people, saying that, hey, it's only going to take 5 minutes. They had a great template, so they were able to build an end-to-end process in 5 minutes. And they get the hands-on experience. People who are business users who they think that, building a bot is so complicated and complex, they could never, even think that they'd actually be here creating it in a matter of minutes. So I love, seeing the smile on their faces. They leave and then they want to learn more. They go see a demo and get a better understanding of the product. And then my second favorite part was the head-to-head challenge that we had. So going head-to-head with colleagues like Jared did win. And so it was awesome to go head-to-head. And then even with Bobby, so Bobby Patrick, our CMO. So seeing C-level executives go head-to-head with pre-sales, so technical people on the team, and then they're building a bot. So great exercise, great way to see that the platform's really easy to use.
It was a fantastic time. And again, say thank you to all of you for your hard work, dedication throughout the week, talking to customers. I know it's hard. You're standing on your feet and also talking stuff all the time. So hopefully you can join us at shows. Go to uipath.events.com. Find out when the next live time you can come and see us and see all of our RPA smart people. And we'll see you guys all at another show, right? It'll be fantastic. Great. Thank you guys for coming out, and we'll talk to you soon.